So I'm trying my iPad Pro and how it is to film with in Ultra HD 4K 60 frames per second. And we have a DEBADGED G63 facelift AMG with, is it Mystic Blue? It sure looks like it. It's really like dark blue. It looks really great in this color. I don't know if you can see the light. I actually brought a flashlight with me so we can see. I like how he debadged it. See how blue it is? I don't know if you can see from here, but it's really velvetish, bluish. And I love this little small AMG logo. I would go for maybe beach interior. Somewhat lighter interior. Also love how the dark or like the red calipers matches also the rear lights. See how beautiful it is, the color. I should picture this in the night. And does he have summer tires on? It's crazy. Anyway, it's just so timeless and classic, the G-Wagon. Anyway, that's all for now. I'm gonna take a stroll down here and go back home. And I don't know how that turned out. I'm happy there are nobody outside now, because you feel like a complete moron walking with an iPad. So this should be 60 frames per second, 4K. Oh, they say focus is locked. No, it's not locked anymore. Anyways, January is not that many fun cars outside. And I think the iPhone X or the phone themselves have better stabilization than the iPads, because this looks ridiculous when you walk. I need to get the DJI, DJI Pocket or something like that. Also, it should be snow at this time of. I don't know why the lights are not illuminated. Anyway, that's all for now. Bye.